Hello, namaste, konnichiwa, welcome to Study Sensei. In this lesson, we'll use calculus to find the condition that maximizes the horizontal range of a projectile for a given initial velocity. We already have the expression for the range. R equals u square sine 2 theta over g. Here u, the initial velocity, is fixed, and g, the acceleration due to gravity, is also fixed. So, the only factor that affects the range is the angle of projection theta. As theta increases, r first increases and then starts to decrease. At a certain angle, r reaches its maximum value. At this peak, the slope of the curve, dr by d theta, is 0. Mathematically, the range r is maximum when dr by d theta is 0. Let's now plug in the expression for r, and we get now u square and g are constants, so we can pull them out, and we have u square over g multiplied by derivative of sine 2 theta with respect to theta equal to 0. Or, to differentiate sine 2 theta, we will apply the chain rule, and we have d sine 2 theta by d 2 theta is cos 2 theta. d 2 theta by d theta is 2. Now, u square, g and 2 are constants. They cannot be 0. The only term that can make this equation 0 is cosine 2 theta. So, cos of 2 theta equals 0. This gives us 2 theta equals 90 degrees, or theta equals 45 degrees. This is the condition for the maximum range. R max is u square sine 90 degrees over g, or u square over g at theta equal to 45 degrees. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sunny Sensei. Thank you and see you again soon.